Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Money Manager step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Money Manager app from your device's app store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Create a new account by entering your email address and choosing a secure password. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard. Tap on the Add Account button to set up your financial accounts. Select the type of account you want to add, such as checking, savings, or credit card. Input the necessary details, including the account name and balance. Next, navigate to the budget section within the app. Choose the category for your budget, like groceries, transportation, or entertainment. Set a spending limit for each category based on your financial goals. After configuring your budget categories, move on to tracking your expenses. Tap on the Add Expense button whenever you make a purchase. Input the amount spent and select the appropriate category from your budget. Review your expenses regularly to ensure you stay within your budget limits. Check the app's graphical reports to visualize your spending patterns. Adjust your budget as needed based on changes in your financial situation. Utilize the Reminders feature to alert you for upcoming payments or bill due dates. Make a habit of reviewing your budget weekly to track progress and make necessary adjustments. This consistent engagement with the app will help you develop better financial habits over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.